This is a dark green 2002 Cavalier with excellent paintwork on the hood, but on the roof, the sides and the trunk the oxidation is pretty apparent. We'll get that on just walking around here. The trunk has got oxidation and clear coat, not so much peeling, but it's abraded away. And again on the passenger side, the clear coat is peeling away, and you can probably get a better idea of the condition of the roof. The oxidation, while I say it's abraded, you can actually scrape bits of it off. So it's not really peeling, it's just wearing away. And the same thing goes with the on the trunk proper as well over here. We're going to give it a good scrub and then probably use some wet and dry paper just to make sure we've got all the loose material off. Then we're going to give it a coat of emulsion. Right, so in the normal way we're just going to use this Dawn dishwashing liquid and a sponge. Give it a good scrub, and then we'll probably do wet and dry paper over the rest of the around these edges in particular that are coming off quite easily with a fingernail. This is really just to get all loose material off the car. All the old waxes and polishes, they have to come off, otherwise the emulsion cannot get down to the oxides. And I think while we've got the soap on here, we'll probably we'll go over it with some wet and dry paper. This is about 800 grit wet and dry paper, and we're just going to go over this lightly with the soap on there. It doesn't matter. It actually makes it a bit easier to do. Again, not a lot of pressure. Plenty of water, plenty of soap. Alright, we're going to do that to the same operation to the rest of the car. So this is after washing and rubbing down with a fairly worn 800 wet and dry paper. Some of the loose stuff has come off, in fact I think all of it has, but you can still see the outline of the areas that are where the clear coat has come off or is coming off. Alright, so this is the emulsion we're going to use. It's a 2-ounce bottle, that's what we sell on our website. And we're going to apply it with 100% cotton cloth. It's a very open weave. This has actually been cut from just 100% cotton t-shirt. Okay, so just pour some of the emulsion onto this cloth. It'll hold a nice amount, and then just apply it gently to the surface of the car. No point in trying to put it on thick. And this is the easy part of the whole operation. Applying this emulsion is a quick and easy job. This trunk will probably take about 3 minutes. So this emulsion goes on extremely easily, as you can see. And again, don't try and put a thick layer on because it's not going to improve things. And you can see how easily this emulsion goes on. That's why it's definitely a do-it-yourself operation. Alright, so that's the whole car. I'm putting the emulsion on, probably took, I don't know, 10 to 15 minutes with the prep.